I wash my hands with soap and water many minutes. Okay, today we're gonna be making beef broccoli, and what we need to have is a beef that's sliced very thin. We have broccoli, we have onions, sliced onions, we have cornstarch, and we need garlic oyster sauce and light sodium soy sauce, and that's for the beef broccoli. Okay, so we're gonna put some oil. Gonna wait until it gets hot. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna have to wash my hands, but it's clean. Now, you know what, we can just put them all together and then just stir it. Okay. So now that this is done, it's already been brown and cooked. We're going to remove this from the pan.